Hi, my name is Ron Khodka. Now I am going to tell about my registration form. So before we move into that, we should play the database. As we can see, whenever we try to log in without username and password, we can see invalid username or password. Now I'm going to log in through the staff username and password, where I have put staff name as Ivan and password as. So we came through the dashboard. Access denied, you do not have permission to add room. So this is our staff ID, so we cannot access this. We can access customer registration, we can access checkout. We can access checkout. We cannot access customer details because it needs admin. Only admin can see this. Admin or manager. Employee also, it is managed by admin only. We can go to the payment section. We can, as we can see, this is payment ID, this is customer ID, and this is employee ID. Which employee ID did this and which date it did that. So moving on to the next. Now we are going to log in through admin username and password. So we came through again the login dashboard, and the admin name is Ronit, my name, and password is 9004541. Now we can see we can add room, customer registration, checkout, customer details, employee, payment, and many more. So first of all, we should try to add room. Okay, let's try 303. This will be unique, as this is set as a unique key. Room type AC or non-AC. As AC, bed single, double less to double. Price will be 12,000 as per the information. Again 12,000. Okay, let's add it. Room has been added successfully, so we can see room has been added. We can delete this room also. We can delete this room through this button. Delete room. Enter room amount to delete. Okay, 303. Room type AC. Bed double. Price 12, 1, 2, 3, 12,000. Delete room. Are you sure you want to delete room? Yes. Room had so we can see this is has been removed successfully. Now let's try to edit some. Okay, let's edit this 202 non-AC. 202 non-AC, let's put it AC. Bed single, double. Price will be 6,000. Okay, double base. Please increase is price by 2,000. Then edit room edited successfully. We can see AC double 8,000. Now this, wherever you see as this booked status, only the book status where customer has occupied, we can see booked status as yes. Let's go to customer registration. Okay, let's add a customer. Let's suppose one name is Zenzo, and moving on to the mobile number, we can add 10 numbers, 980345678. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nationality, please. L E S E L E S E. Nephews, gender male, date of birth only 18 or older can enter it. So let's set this date as okay. ID. Let's type in the ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3. So ID proof will be 13 digit number, and the address is jenson@gmail.com. Checking. So it's checking at this rate. Okay, made. What type? Now this will be all preference of the customer. What customer wants, we can choose from here. So if customer wants double, we could select double. Room type AC or non-AC. If he wants AC, we could select that. Room type, room number. It automatically generates the room number, which are available. So 202 and 302 are available. Let's type in 302 and let's see. Let's alert this room. Room number 302 allocation successfully. Now let's move on to the checkout system. Now moving on to the checkout system, we can see that what we added Jenson. So Jenson we can select this like this, and whenever I try to check out, it says checkout is only available from 11 am to 12 am. Now it is not 11 am and 12 pm, so we cannot do the checkout right now. Let's move on to the customer details. This is all the reports are stored here. Okay, we can see all the reports, all customer details, all the customer who has stayed here or is still staying, we can see from here. So Ronit, Henry, Jonas, Jasmine, Asik, Jenson has been stayed here for the time. Now moving on to the next, in hotel customer, we can see that how many people are still staying at this hotel. Jonas, Jasmine and Jenson, these two are still staying at the hotel. Now checkout customer, checkout customer are the customer who have checked out. Henry, Henry and Asi. Only 3% has checked out till now. Now moving on to the monthly reports. Monthly report. See, we can see the monthly report who have been checked out. Daily weekly report, nobody. Daily report, no. Only monthly report. Only we can see that only monthly people they are asking. So total income we have gained from them is 5,000 plus 102 plus 14,000. 14,000 plus 5,000, 19,000, 19,000, 102. So they have checked out and it is stated as yes, yes, yes. Now moving on to the employee, we can add employee details. As you can see, this Ivan is a staff. We log in from him that time, and Ronit is a manager, so we could handle all the things. Now we can enter the new staff. Let's suppose one new staff name will be Probin. Mobile number office 9803462234. Gender male. Email ID Probin and gmail.com. So let's try to register him. All fields are mandatory. So whenever I try to allocate this, we should fill all the rooms, all the fields in here. Same goes to every tables. Now let's type in the username and password. Probin. Enter password. What should we set as password? Probin 98. Role staff. Register. Employee register successfully. We can see all the employee details in here. Probin main, Probin is staff, 98 is password, employee delete employee, we can delete this borrowing from here. Just type in the ID of this 6. Let's delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Record deleted. Now moving on to the payment. Here we can pay the customer who has checkout. Only the checkout customer we can pay. So we cannot pay without filling the boxes. Methods of payment: card, cash, online. Amount will be generated from this. We can see from the customer details, add rooms. So overall this system is well made and well presented. We would like to further adding some creating password not visible to the even for the manager, so that it will be stay safe. Or we could add edit button